Let me get these frogs out. All right, I can't wait to get these guys out. And this is what we got. You got.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air.
Oh my God. So we did get. I did get tree frogs, and I think these are red-eyed. I forget what they were. I'd have to look again. I'll say it here at the end, but they are incredible little species, and I'm gonna let him go back in there and get the other one. Jump. Did you jump? Look at them. They're incredible. Here's the other one. Here. I'm gonna grab the I have two of them. And yeah, look at the grab my camera without making a mess. Don't jump, please. They are incredible. Had to do it quick. But you're so cool. You're so cool.